Good evening, guys. I will now demonstrate to you my library settings through adapter connection. I've already connected these two laptops in this UTP cable adapter settings. This is my server and this is my client. Now I will demonstrate to you and input the book title, Conjuring, author, my name, year published 2013, and the date. The date is October 13, 2013, and the borrower's name is Carl. So I will save this data in the record save. Now, in this client, I will refresh it. So the name of the book will appear in this client. Refresh, and there it is. You can see the book title, Conjuring Guardian Bayaba, year published 2013. So that's my library system through adapter settings. So thank you and good night.